Hello and welcome to Prudent Media. My name is Sachin Chatte and on this program we take a look at the latest releases. Today we will take a look at the Siddharth Malhotra starrer Yodha. Yodha starring Siddharth Malhotra is a run-of-the-mill action. It is one of those films where the hero survives bullets, bomb blasts, knives and a near airplane crash. When the pilots are bumped off and a rookie teenage-looking girl takes over the controls and the landing wheels don't come out smoothly, he tells her, "Gravity extension try karo." And no, the hero is not a pilot to know all those details. He is a know-all Yodha, a fighter or a commando. The film was originally slated for release at the end of 2022, but the timing doesn't change the fact that this is a very basic and superfluous action flick. Recently, we had Hrithik Roshan play a pilot in Fighter. In this film also, a lot of action happens in the air, but inside an ordinary aircraft that is hijacked. Effectively, neither the action nor the reasons leading to the action cut much ice. Siddharth Malhotra plays Arun Katyal, a commando in a special unit called Yodha. As a kid, he aspires to join the forces in the footsteps of his father. A young commando has a mind of his own and doesn't mind taking the odd decision against the order of the seniors, something we have seen before in a bunch of films. Priya, played by Rashi Khanna, is his wife, who is a senior bureaucrat in the Defense Ministry, and after she is upset for defying her orders, they break into a romantic song. Fast forward, Arun finds himself on board a plane that is hijacked with India's top nuclear scientist on board. A few standard action scenes later, he finds himself at the wrong end of the stick and has to face a court of inquiry, the outcome of which results in marital discord. So far, the film is so bearable. The mid and final act of the film is again on board a plane, which Arun gets on after a rather tedious prologue to that episode. The script tries to be too clever and unnecessarily complicates simple matters. Arun thinks that the flight is compromised while those on the ground think that he is responsible for the hijack. The audience knows that no matter what, the hero will come out unscathed. There is double crossing which is rather lame and it comes at no surprise. Disha Patani in a cameo plays an air hostess on the hijacked flight. The target of the plane is a high-profile personality who has no idea what is coming. Like many such action films, even this one tries to be too clever for its own good. Instead of interesting characters and situations, we get the same old India-Pakistan story with another variant. A couple of the action scenes are well choreographed and it helps that the film clocks just over 2 hours, but even then it goes through some turbulent times. I'm going to go with 2 out of 5 stars for the new Siddharth Malhotra film called Yodha. Well, that's what I thought of Yodha, and I'll be back with you next week with more movie reviews. Till then, it's goodbye from me.